Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in the last video we have seen the game picture counting, right? So we have looked through the code, all the events, how the layouts were set up and how to add new layouts for your own game, right? So in this video I have made few modifications for this game. So you can see I have added a home screen, right? So in the previous version we did not have the option to navigate between the layouts or levels. In this video you will be able to navigate between the levels. So okay, we will quickly see how it is done. Okay, before that let's look at the preview. Okay, the game is loading. Alright, so this is the home screen, right? You can see the first level is the picture. So instead of having level 1, 2, 3, I thought to provide the picture so that the child or anyone, the user, can look at the picture and select them and get into the level. So this is level 1, and if you press, I'll put it on mute. So if you press the next one, you will see the next level. Okay, so as of now we have only 2 levels, that is why it doesn't scroll to right anymore. And if I click on the left button, it scrolls back to the level 1. So if you have 10 levels, it scrolls through the 10 images on the top, and you will also see the level number increasing. So if you click on play button, it will take you to the level screen. Okay, and if you select the first level, click on play, it will take you to the first level, right? So let's look at the program. So this is the home event. So you can see there are few global variables, right? So all you have to do is, if you want to have 10 levels or 5 levels, okay, you just need to enter the total levels as 5 and add the layouts like we discussed, like I explained it in the last video. Okay, and also in level pick, so this object, just add one more or 3 more images. So if you have 5 levels, you require 3 images, or it is only 2 levels, we require only 2 levels. So as of now this game has only 2 levels, that is why we have only 2 images. So I'll just duplicate one image so that we'll have 3 levels, and I'll show it to you how it looks like. So total levels will be 3, just for demonstration purpose. Okay, also the play button, if you see the play button here, we just need to add one more event. So if it is level 3, go to count. So 3, you will be adding one more layout, right? Count 3. So that will show up here. You will have to select count 3. Okay, I'll just remove this one. Okay, let's see the navigation, how it looks like. Okay, it's getting loaded. Okay, almost ready. Actually I'm using the remote preview so that we can see everything in the same tab, I mean the same browser. So generally it will open a pop-up to show it to you. The preview will be a pop-up, but if you use remote preview, you can use it, you will get a link and use it in the same browser. Now you can see there is level 1, if you click on it, you'll see level 2, and if you click on it, you'll see level 3, right? If I click on furthermore, it will not scroll. Okay, so we haven't added anything count 3, so that is why if I click on play, it is not taking me to any layout, right? So if you add 10 more, if you need 10 more layouts or levels, just need to change the settings here. Okay, total levels, you will have to change it and add the levels here. Okay, so I'll change it back to 2. All right, so I have made few modifications as well. So I have added a new event sheet called common. So I moved all the audio related stuff to here. Okay, all the global variables to I made them to reset whenever you restart the level. Okay, so I moved everything to the common event sheet, and I added the event sheet in all the main game events. Okay, so you can see es underscore common, right? Even in home you can see es underscore common, right? Okay, so it's very easy to use this template. You can build as many levels you can. It's very simple and very efficient, highly productive. Okay, so I have built few more similar games. Okay, there are total 6 game I have built. So based on your requirement, you can get them. So you can get the game here. If you log on to shepherdgames.itch.io, you have you'll find few games here, and under the educational games for kids, you can find all the games, all the educational games for kids. Okay, as of now we have seen picture counting game, and also I have worked on 5 more games which have the similar model, coding, all the level setup, everything is almost the same. Okay, so the objective would be different from your perspective, but the template would be, the program events, everything would be the same. Okay, also you can see there are 2 more games here, fill in the blanks, crossword for kids. Okay, so these are the projects. So even for fill in the blanks, you can see the same kind of layout setup, and the program, everything is the same, everything similar to picture counting. Okay, it has a home screen, same thing, you'll have to change the levels, and you'll have to add more objects in the level pick, and you can see the home screen, it looks like the same. Also the crossword for kids, it has also the same setup, right? So as of now, picture counting, crossword and fill in the blanks, these 3 games are ready, and I have made them available on my shepherdgames.itch.io market. You can get them. Maybe in 1 or 2 days I will set up the other 3 games as well. So I'll just show you to what the other games looks like. So the other one is scramble words. You must be aware of scramble words. You will be giving a scramble word with different jumbled letters. All the kid has to look at the letters and type the letters here, right? So I still need to work on the audio, home, and the common events. So that's still pending. I will do it, and once I'm done with that, I will update to you. So the other one is fractions. So the kid has to look at the fractions and add the numbers here. Okay, so as of now we have only 2 levels. If you want to have more levels, you can increase the levels in the similar model. Okay, So the last one is times table. So as of now I have added only 3 table and 5 times table. Okay, all you have to do is keep on adding layouts like I showed to you in the previous video, and I'm going to add the home screen, audio system, and the level, the common events, everything. So only for these 3 games are pending: scramble words, simple fractions, and times table. Okay, so the picture counting, crossword for kids, and fill in the blanks, these 3 are ready. Okay, so fill in the blanks is just that we will provide a blank words for the kids, and they'll just have to add the right letter. Okay, even here we have 2 layouts, 2 levels. So they had to look at the picture and they have to enter the letters over here, right? It's as simple as that. It's very easy to use. You can reach out to me at any time if you have any questions, and if you have any confusions on how to implement the game, I am ready to help you. I am going to provide you my contact link in the description, and also you can get the contact link from my website as well. And you can also, if you're interested, you can also look at the other games I have built. Okay, so for licensing we have a few other different games. Okay, I built few tools as well, we can give it a try. Okay, these are games for you to play. These are not for we do not, I'm not providing source code for these games. It's just download and play games. And you can also look at the graphics. If you have any requirement, you can get them as well, right? So if you are a Patreon supporter, I'm going to add all these links to the to our Patreon page, so you can get all of them from there. Okay, and if you are not a Patreon supporter yet, just take a look at the portfolio. If you're interested, you can support me. Your support will help me to develop more games, and you can also suggest what kind of templates you require, what kind of games you require. I will happy to build those games for you. And every month I'm going to add more and more games. So as of now we have around 40 to 50 games. I lost count of them. And if you're a Patreon supporter, you have access to the complete portfolio, right? All the portfolio you have access to, and whatsoever games I am developing, and I'll set up them on the same page. You can get them as well, right? You don't need to pay anything extra, just you need to be monthly supporter, that's all. Alright, so we can stop the video here. So once I'm done with the next 3 games, I'll give an update, or I'll just add them in the comments. I'll just pin them in the comments with the links. You can get it from there. Alright, you have a great day. We'll see you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.